How to delete your Facebook account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete your Facebook account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to basically delete your Facebook account, all you have to do is launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, you're gonna see this type of interface. Tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen. Then just tap on the gear icon, which is the menu button that you can find here. After you do that, you want to simply go to the option here known as Meta Account Center and tap on it. And once you go to Account Center, go to Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation and Deletion. Then select your Facebook account from here and then select the option called Delete Account. Then tap on the Continue button, tap on Continue, and then tap on Continue again. Select your reason and then enter your password, and your Facebook account will get successfully deleted. That's all it takes to go ahead and then basically delete your Facebook account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.